Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Nextcloud on VPS with secure web setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type in the IP address or domain name of your VPS where Nextcloud is installed. Press enter to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for a login section. Enter your username in the appropriate field. Next, input your password securely. Now, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Nextcloud dashboard. In case you encounter any errors, double-check your submitted details. If you forgot your password, use the password recovery option available on the login page. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Explore the navigation menu on the left to find different features. As a new user, consider checking the settings to customize your Nextcloud experience. For secure access, ensure you're using HTTPS. If your VPS is not set up for HTTPS, you may need to install a certificate. You can obtain a free certificate from Let's Encrypt. After obtaining the certificate, configure your web server to use HTTPS. Now, refresh the page to ensure the changes took effect. You should see the secure padlock symbol in the address bar. This indicates that your connection to Nextcloud is secure. Explore the various options, such as file sharing and collaborative features. Take time to set up two-factor authentication for added security. This can be done in the security settings. With these steps, you are now securely logged into Nextcloud on your VPS. Enjoy storing and sharing your files with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.